Hi everyone, welcome to another helpful hints and quick tip tutorials. Today's topic, understanding the auto vent feature in your LG over-the-range microwave oven. Your LG over-the-range microwave oven has a built-in feature for automatic fan operation known as auto vent. The auto vent fan feature helps dissipate the heat from your cooktop. Your microwave oven will sense an increase in temperature from the cooktop below and will automatically turn on the vent fan to create a safer environment for you. This feature only activates the microwave's vent fan and does not indicate that your microwave is running. Depending on the model of your over-the-range microwave oven, you may or may not see a notification on your display when this auto vent feature is activated. For models with standard LED displays, you'll notice that the display does not indicate that the vent fan feature is in operation. For models with scrolling text displays, your microwave oven will let you know that the surface beneath may be hot. Caution: hot surface during auto vent operation as shown here. In either case, you will not be able to manually shut off the vent fan during the auto vent operation. The vent fan will automatically shut off once it determines that the area beneath it has reached a safe temperature. This could take up to 30 minutes even after the heat is completely removed. So the next time you're cooking for an extended period of time on your cooktop, don't be alarmed when the fan is activated in your over-the-range microwave oven. This auto vent fan feature helps to keep your over-the-range microwave oven working normally. Thank you for watching our customer support video, and be sure to visit us at our LG channel on YouTube and check out other helpful hints and quick tip tutorials on your LG appliances.